Hello, guys. How is everybody? Today, my guest is a brand new EDC light by Kayansky. It is called Kayansky M1R. Let's check this beauty. Firstly, I will tell you what is coming inside the box. This is our box, and this is the protection for the light. You get one little lanyard if you would like to use this EDC light with your keychain. You can also use it as a keychain light. Simply put the lanyard on, because I always use the lanyards with my lights, so I think this is better. Now, you also get this USB Type-C charging cable and this warranty card and this product specifications booklet. Now we can talk about the light itself. This is an interesting light because it gives you various modes of light. You can get white light and red light and UV light as well. So now I would like to tell you about the specifications of it and show you how it works in a bit darker environment. Talking about specifications, this beauty has a weight of 19.5 grams and it also has IPX8 water resistance. It is submersible up to 2 meters. Apart from that, it also has 2 meters impact resistance as well, so in case you drop it, you have a chance to use it again. Now we are in a darker environment and I'll show you how it functions. This is the only button you have, and press once, it is locked. Press twice, still locked. Yes, press twice, now it is unlocked and it is functioning in the lowest mode of the white light. The lowest mode gives you 1 lumen. This is 1 lumen and it has a runtime of 40 hours. Press once, you get the medium mode. This is the medium mode and it is 25 lumens and runtime is 5.5 hours in the medium mode. Press once more. This is the highest light you can get out of this little EDC lamp, and it has an output of 200 lumens and the runtime is 1.2 hours. This is the highest version you can get. Apart from that, if you would like to go from the white light to the UV and red light, you need to press once. Press and hold. Now it is on the off mode. And I'll change between the modes. So press and hold. Yes. Now we have the red flicker. The red flicker it gives you about 13 lumens and the runtime is 1.5 hours. It really catches attention in case you need it. Press once more. This is what I like most. This is the UV lights. Can you see the UV on the white paper? This is the UV version. Check how the white reflects the UV light. You can check the bills if they are fake or real. You can check some liquids in bathrooms, whatever, if they are clean enough. You can check some bed sheets as well with the UV. This is my favorite mode for this one. And there is also the red lights. Press once. This is your red light. And the red light gives you about 13 lumens for 1.5 hours. Yeah, so we have seen all the modes now. Let's go back to the lights again. This little cool thing, it is really little and it's nice, very fit for your keychain. You can carry it in your pocket, in your bag, whatever, but it has more functions than it looks, so I liked it. As I said, this is USB Type-C charging cable, and in case you need to charge it, simply remove the cover here and charge your device. That is it. Thanks for watching me, guys. This is all I will tell you about the Kayensky M1R product. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Have a good day.